to be my friend Lucas and Emma's wedding soon. I want to make a little gift for them and decided that I will make a placemat with the newlyweds' names on it. I would be using my brother's machine. You could use other machines as long as it has the embroidery functions. In this video, I would like to share with you how I add embroidery onto my quilt works. First, I would think about the overall design I would like to have for my work. Then I would choose the patterns that fit my design from the software provided by the machine. I'm going to use this bouquet on the right, and beside it, you would see the colors needed to make it. This time I'm going to use the 4 colors as the suggestions. Sometimes I would use my own color combinations too. And today I'm going to add one more color for the lettering. So let's start with this emerald green. So first, set up the machine with the thread. I would make a sample first before using the actual fabric. So this is my sample fabric. Set up the fabric to the machine. Choose the selected pattern from the machine. And then start with the embroidering. For Emma and Lucas's names, I would use this metallic gold. It's a very bright, shiny, saturated color. Just as the way I did with the pattern, now I'm going to choose the type fonts, then entering the letters. After typing the words, adjust the location. After embroidering the letters, my sample is completed. I really like to use the embroidery functions in the machine. It's a good option if I want to add something a little bit extra to my quilt works. The technique is quite simple. Basically, I let the machine do all the work for me. And this is the final look of my work. I've chose a glossy, shiny kind of fabric for the placemat. I hope they will enjoy this gift. Congratulations, Emma and Lucas!